Welcome to this tutorial on how to do payroll in Xero. Xero is a cloud-based accounting software that provides a comprehensive payroll system to manage your employees' salaries and benefits. To get started, you need to have a Xero account and have payroll enabled. First, you need to set up your payroll settings. This includes setting up your pay calendar, pay rates, and leave types. You can do this by going to the payroll settings page and following the prompts. Here you can also set up your payroll tax rates and deductions. Next, you need to add your employees to the system. You can do this by going to the employees page and clicking on the new employee button. You will need to enter your employees' personal details, pay rate, and tax information. You can also set up their leave balances and any deductions they may have. Once you have set up your employees, you can start processing payroll. To do this, you need to go to the payroll page and click on the new Pay Run button. Here you can select the pay period and the employees you want to pay. You can then review and approve the pay run. Xero also provides a range of reports to help you manage your payroll. These include pay slips, pay summaries, and leave balances. You can access these reports by going to the Reports page and selecting the report you need. Best practice is to regularly review and update your payroll settings and employee information to ensure accuracy and compliance with tax laws. It is also a good idea to set up automatic backups and to have a secondary administrator in case of emergencies. In conclusion, doing payroll in Xero is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few easy steps. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and regularly reviewing and updating your payroll settings, you can ensure that your payroll is accurate and compliant with tax laws.